The 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-500 4MATIC is a state-of-the-art luxury sedan that embodies the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz engineering, performance, technology, and comfort. Designed to offer exceptional driving experiences and a supreme level of luxury, it is part of the renowned S-Class lineup, which has long set the standard for automotive excellence. Here is an in-depth look at the S-500 4MATIC. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2025 S-500 4MATIC is a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine paired with a mild hybrid system. This engine produces 442 horsepower and 560 newton-meters of torque, offering both exceptional power and efficiency. Performance * the S-500 4MATIC can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 4.5 seconds, making it a remarkably quick luxury sedan despite its size and weight. Mild hybrid system * the mild hybrid system, which integrates a 48-volt electrical system, improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions by capturing energy during braking and feeding it back into the powertrain. 9-speed automatic transmission * the vehicle is equipped with a 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and precise gear shifts for an optimal driving experience. 4MATIC all-wheel drive * this all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability, enhancing safety and performance in a variety of driving conditions, including wet or icy roads. Fuel efficiency. Despite its robust performance, the S-500 4MATIC manages to maintain impressive fuel efficiency figures, thanks to the integration of the mild hybrid system. City fuel economy * the S-500 4MATIC consumes approximately 11.2 L/100 km, 21 miles per gallon, in urban conditions. Highway fuel economy * on the highway, fuel consumption is around 7.6 L/100 km, 31 miles per gallon, showcasing its efficiency over long distances. Overall fuel economy * the combined fuel economy is around 8.7 L/100 km, 27 miles per gallon, making the S-500 a relatively efficient option in the luxury sedan class, especially considering its performance capabilities. Design and comfort. The 2025 S-500 4MATIC carries forward the luxurious and elegant design of the S-Class, providing an interior that exudes sophistication and comfort. Interior space * the long wheelbase of the S-500 ensures ample interior space, particularly in the rear seat area, where there is extra legroom and headroom. This makes it an ideal choice for those who prioritize comfort during long trips. Materials and craftsmanship * the interior is adorned with premium materials, including soft leather, high-quality wood trims, and polished metal accents. These elements contribute to an overall atmosphere of luxury and exclusivity. Seating comfort * the seats are ergonomically designed to provide excellent support for both short and long journeys. Features like massaging seats, seat ventilation, and adjustable lumbar support further enhance the comfort level for both the driver and passengers. Sound insulation * Mercedes-Benz has prioritized a quiet cabin with enhanced sound insulation, making the ride exceptionally peaceful and relaxing. Technology and entertainment. The S-500 4MATIC is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both the driving experience and the comfort of the passengers. MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience. The MBUX system is at the core of the infotainment experience in the S-500. It includes a large, high-resolution 12.3-inch central touchscreen, along with a second digital display for the instrument cluster. The system can be controlled via touch, voice commands, or a touchpad. Voice control * MBUX allows for advanced voice control, where the driver can use natural language to interact with the system. Simply saying, "Hey Mercedes," activates the voice assistant, enabling you to control various car functions such as navigation, climate control, media, and more. Multimedia and connectivity * the S-500 4MATIC supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy for passengers to integrate their smartphones with the vehicle's infotainment system. Additionally, the vehicle offers wireless charging and numerous USB ports for device charging. Surround sound system * the car is equipped with a premium Burmester 4D surround sound system, providing an immersive audio experience with crystal clear sound quality. ##### Safety and driver assistance. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the S504 with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features and driver assistance systems that prioritize the safety of all occupants. Active Safety Systems * the car is equipped with various active safety systems, such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and assist the driver in maintaining control of the vehicle. Driver Assistance Package * the optional Driver Assistance Package includes additional features such as Active Steering Assist, Active Stop and Go Assist, and Evasive Steering Assist, all of which contribute to reducing the risk of collisions and enhancing overall driving comfort. 360-degree camera and parking assist * the S500 comes with a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the area around the car, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier and safer. The system is complemented by parking sensors and automatic parking assist. Autonomous driving features * while not fully autonomous, the S504 includes semi-autonomous driving features, allowing the vehicle to steer, accelerate, and brake under certain conditions, making long-distance highway driving much less strenuous. #### Driving experience. Suspension and handling * the S504 features an adaptive air suspension system that provides a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough or uneven surfaces. The suspension system automatically adjusts to driving conditions, ensuring optimal comfort and handling. Dynamic driving modes * the vehicle offers several driving modes, including comfort, sport, and individual, allowing the driver to adjust the car's performance characteristics to suit their preferences. Steering * the car is equipped with rear-wheel steering, which helps improve maneuverability, especially at lower speeds.